It's by rope and racing, wind beneath my wings, looking for the leader. Followed by Miss Manila, Honor Rose, my cup of tea. Don't explain now from the outside while Pleasure Giver is running in the tail of the fielder. Out the straight they travel, wind beneath my wings, leads by Sam 2 lengths. Honor Rose right behind in second, alongside now Miss Manila. 5 lengths away, Don't Explain, my cup of tea, and Pleasure Giver. Passing the half mile, it's still wind beneath my wings, leads by Lang, followed closely by Miss Manila. 3 lengths back to Honor Rose, then followed by Don't Explain, my cup of tea. Inside the last 600, wind beneath my wings, still leading the pack by Lang, followed by Miss Manila in second. Honor Rose remains in third by another 4 lengths. Here comes my cup of tea, Don't Explain. While Pleasure Giver still running in the tail of the field as they hit the final turn with wind beneath my wings, leads by some 4 lengths now. Here comes Honor Rose, Miss Manila from the outside, but still wind beneath my wings, leads by some 4, followed now by Honor Rose, and finally wind beneath my wings, Honor Rose, Miss Manila, my cup of tea, Pleasure Giver, and Don't Explain.
So it was 6-1-2-3, Sharon.